Hello, my name is Greg Morrison, and I'm one of the lead welders here at Lynn Welding. And today we're welding two soda cans together. In the welding community, being able to fuse thin and delicate materials together grants one certain respect among their peers, like a badge of honor. With soda cans being made of aluminum comes with its own challenges. Not all aluminum is equal. Some are cleaner than others, and like a sponge, it can absorb residue left on the surface. So the welder's first step is to clean the surface as best as possible. It's also why the alternating current is used. Though using AC produces an unstable arc, it causes a scrubbing effect under the surface that removes oxides for a cleaner weld. It also adds resistance to the weld surface, generating heat. The welder needs this additional heat to create a pool because aluminum is capable of dispersing heat more rapidly than most materials. Due to this trait, even a fully penetrated weld, the backside commonly won't liquefy, and so shielding the backside in a protective gas typically isn't necessary. However, because this is my first attempt at this challenge, I've elected to do so in order to lay the cleanest weld I can. Welding material this thin requires the welder's hands to be steady and their vision clear. It's like staring at the eye of a dime. It's not uncommon for welders to refrain from blinking and slow their breath to minimize movement. As previously mentioned, welding with an alternating current causes the arc to be unstable. It's up to the welder to be knowledgeable of their machine and torch so they can make the fine-tuning adjustments necessary to control the arc based off the quality of aluminum they happen to be welding. Also, a welder in this situation is using all four of their limbs independently. One foot is controlling the turntable, the other controls the electrical output, leaving one hand free for the filler wire and the other hand free for the torch. All while the welder watches the pool and listens for its clean and stable arc.